Thank you. Greetings from Dublin, and first and foremost may I just take the opportunity to wish Commissioner McGuinness success in our new appointment. It's a first opportunity to formally congratulate you in a plenary session, so I wish you well. The response to the economic crisis caused by the global pandemic needs to be multifaceted. It needs to embrace both public and private, national governments and the European institutions. And the European Union has responded quickly and generously to provide support to the broader economies, including a temporary state aid framework, the European Central Bank's Pandemic Emergency Purchase Programme, and the European Investment Bank's €200 billion support plan for small and medium-sized enterprises. Aside, of course, from the injections of public money, it is important that the market as well contributes to the recovery. And the amendments to the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive were timely, and the Parliament did react quickly and in a spirit of cooperation to ensure these amendments could take effect as soon as possible. These amendments will provide investors with greater flexibility and will also ease some of the burdensome requirements, thereby freeing up resources and allowing investors to contribute to the recapitalisation of our small and medium-sized enterprises, which are the backbone of the European economy. I suppose I am disappointed. I did put down some amendments, Commissioner, to this particular report around the issue of dual listing of companies on different stock exchanges. So, for example, Irish companies dual listed in Dublin and in the UK. And certainly it is regrettable that they weren't taken on board. And I know that the European Securities and Markets Authority did bring forward partial solutions, but that does not resolve the issue around Irish companies listed in Dublin and in the UK in euros. So I would really urge the Commission to look at that. And I know that Brexit is a word that is very sensitive at the moment because we are around the final negotiations. But I do believe that we can't have any inhibitants to capital and liquidity and access to same. And if this issue is not addressed around dual listing of companies, well then it could tie up a huge amount of capital available to Irish that's required by Irish companies. Also, Commissioner, look, the pandemic shows the urgency around the Capital Markets Union. We all need to ensure that there's no inhibitants or blocks to access to finance. And the COVID pandemic has brought forward a certain element of urgency in us responding to the needs of the broader economy out there. But when we return to some form of normality, we have to insist that the Capital Markets Union is a vibrant market, that it ensures that there's access to finance and also that there's accessibility to trading. In other words, people can invest knowing that there's certainty and they can trade. So I would urge that we do not relax, that we stay in tune and we ensure the Capital Markets Union is a priority. Thank you very much.